Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Super Bowl Sunday. I am here and I am coming through with the look. So we are actually hosting the Super Bowl party. I'll make sure I insert some footage so you guys can see what it looks like. Nothing too major, okay? But it's a bunch of Eagles fans here in Vegas that want to celebrate, and we're going to do that as well. So this is really kind of like a get ready with me. I'm fresh faced, bright eyed, bushy tail, and we're going to throw on this Sunber hair unit. Okay.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
So Sunber Hair so graciously provided us with a 13x4 kinky straight wig, okay, with translucent lace. I'm really actually very excited. Let me make sure this is translucent. I think it's translucent. Transparent lace, yep. So this is a 13x4 wig, okay? She has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, adjustable straps for kind of forever, as well as the band. I've been getting like really into these lately, especially because usually in my day-to-day I wear glueless wigs, right? So I like to keep it easy. This unit is super thick, super thick. Okay, whose song was that? Was that Jeezy? So, first of all, I look crazy. Y'all just let your girlfriend come outside looking any old kind of way. Where I get this turban from, y'all? I have no idea. Or is it this way? It's supposed to be this. Y'all. It's supposed to be this way. Y'all just let your girlfriend come outside looking any old kind of way. It is not appreciated. It is not appreciated. So, this unit, again, is a 13x4 transparent lace. She's 24 inches. She's a kinky straight wig. She comes with like the straight edges, okay? The kinky straight edges. So we're just going to get her all the way together. I'm going to lay this out this Mimi Tecton wig. Do you hear me? Because she need to be on all Mimi Tecton day. I'm going to beat my damn face. And we're going to come on the other side. But before I do that, let's dig on into what Sunber Hair so graciously provided us with. We got some goodies here. We got our wig cap, our little gift bag with the wig cap, the makeup brush. We got our lace layer. I always forget what to call these. Our edge band, and then some lashes. Okay. They also provided a bag, which we love that. Always store your hair. It's so nice to store your hair in a bag. I'm telling you, it really does lead to longevity. Okay, and this is coming from a girl who got containers upon containers upon containers of wigs stuffed and totes. So there's that. Listen to your girlfriend, okay? Don't be like your girlfriend, be better than her. All right, so I am going to shut my Mimi Tecton mouth, get this unit up on my head, and I'm gonna see you on the other side. Oh yes, bitch. yes. Oh, I love. Okay, let me get on into her. Okay, so now that I am done celebrating, let's get on into this 4C kinky straight lace front wig. So again, she's a 13x4 lace front human hair wig from Sunber Hair. I have her, I think I told you guys 24 inches. The point is that she's under $200. And I know, and I've said this 100 times in this video. I'm going to say it at the end. I know y'all a little bit taken aback. You're a little bit aghast, okay? You're clutching your pearls. But $200 for $48.25 of 4 payments of $48.25, you can have this unit put. And I'm not trying to encourage y'all to do no daggone Afterpay, Zip, Klarna, whatever the case may be. I'm going to just say if it was me and it was $20, I'm going to pay $5, okay? That's all I'm going to say to you all. Now, we know that tax season is coming up, so at least some of y'all is going to go out there and get y'all some brand new hair. We already know that's about to come and happen, okay? And I hope that Sunber Hair can go on that journey with you. Now, I'm just going on through and really just making sure I straighten this unit out. Sometimes when I get these kinky straight wigs, I find that they are super thick, nasty, snicker season in the middle, and I don't really like that. Like, I want to go through and make sure that I really get into the root of the unit and straighten it out so it can lay a lot flatter. So for this look today, again, it was Super Bowl Sunday when I filmed the first part of this. I'm just going on through and straightening it out. So I'm using my Conair flat irons. These are really, really good, and they were just about $50 on Amazon. So I'll make sure I leave the link to everything that I used here. I am, again, going on through, making sure I straighten this out. I am using a heat protectant because this hair is thick, but I also want to make sure that we don't ruin her, okay? Like, I'm putting a lot of heat in her, but I do want her to maintain her thickness, her silkiness, her yuckiness, her everything like that, right? So this unit is beautiful. The lace on this is really what is I'm called to. I think that it really laid perfectly. Do you hear me? When I got this together, I was really, really happy with how she turned out because it was giving Mammy Tapman scalp. And that's honestly all we can ask for out here, okay? So I'm just going on through and getting this together. I did give you guys 2 separate styles. I'm going to shut my Mammy Tapman mouth and get on into it. I really think what I'm doing here is self-explanatory, so I ain't going to give y'all too much. And I'm going to see you on the other side. Obsessed with this pink. You have no idea. That's why I was like, you know what, I can give y'all a little bit of color so you could really see. I think sometimes when you like put on a colorful shirt or whatever the case may be, you really can see how the wig is laid. Is it me? Am I the only one who feels that way? So I'm coming on through. We did an updo, okay, which I'm actually very happy with how she turned out. Like, you guys have no idea. I think this unit is absolutely stunning. Again, she's going for under $200. Like, this is not, when we talk about expensive units, this is not on the high end, especially because I had 24 inches, okay? This is 24 inches of Love, Sex, and Magic, and you could get this for a relatively inexpensive price. So I would be out there trying to do my Googles, look at Sunber hair, see what they have on their site that you can kind of like leverage and get something cute, you know what I mean? We all want something quality that's worth something, and I think that this gives you the opportunity to get that for the low, okay? Because that's the big part. So I went on through. Like I said, we did a little bit of updo. I did a little bit of braid in the back. I don't know if you could tell. But I wanted to give you guys a different look as opposed to the straight down. I'll make sure I insert pictures of that as well because we kind of just jumped into this look. But I am really feeling her. The hair really did do what I wanted it to do, which to me is really all I ask. Like, I just want you to do what you say you're going to do, okay? Like, it's not a lot, you know what I mean? So I'm really happy with how this turned out. I really hope you guys enjoyed it as well. This was a super easy style. Literally threw her up, put her, you know, wrapped her up around my wrist and put the tie on, and then just curled up the ends, guys. Like, y'all could really be out here, like, really living a full life with these, like, you know, units or whatever the case may be. So let me know how you feel. I'm giving, you know, Love, Sex, and Magic. I hope y'all picking up what I'm putting down. Tell me what you think about this unit, okay? Let me know how you feel about the Kinky straight wig. I love a Kinky straight style. I think it looks super natural. Yeah, that's all I got for y'all. I hope y'all like the pink and the outfit change or whatever the case may be. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you have not already. I'm Intisar Eleanor.